Cam Fam, and welcome back to my Cam. So Cam Fam, I'm coming to you with yet another hair situation. Well, my hair is always a situation. Like, the situation is a situation by itself, its own thing. The situation that I'm tackling today is dryness. I know that to improve my curl, I need to keep my hair properly moisturized, but it seems that in the course of a week and a half, I've set the moisture clock back a bit here. So to save me from running around with a washed up, dried out, washed and go, I am going to make some nourishing, deep conditioning love to my hair. So as you can see, it's got frizz going on. There's some product buildup. So I'm gonna do a wash today, but today's focus is not on the wash. It is going to be on this Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Hair Cap System by Briogeo. This deep conditioning is said to visibly repair hair, which does that mean that it only looks like it repaired my hair, but it didn't really? I guess we'll find out. Let's just hop right in, right? Let's just get to it. What is this? What is this about? What am I doing? Hair cap system? Psh, let's check it out, guys. To the showers. I am shampooed and ready for step 1 of my deep conditioning hair treatment. As you can see, step 1 and 2 are attached and need to be separated for ease of application. I'm going to begin by just pulling this product through the ends of my hair and massaging them up on the way to my scalp. I'm really hoping to see a noticeable difference in my hair's softness, manageability, shine, and just overall health and appearance. This product makes a lot of promises, and I'm hoping that it comes through. It says it visibly repairs and strengthens, enhances softness and silkiness, contains natural oils, vitamins, and antioxidants complex. Moving on to step 2. That's right, do not rinse. Just apply your conditioning treatment and move on. Open the foil pack and remove your treatment cap. Now when I do this, I kind of wrap my hair into like a hold up. I put the cap on and I proceed to massage that product into my hair. The liner of the cap has like this lining in it that further has conditioning properties that I'm really trying to work deep down into my hair. Once you're done massaging your hair and scalp, you just pretty much gotta fix your hair all up in this and then go hang out. The directions say to give the product 30 minutes to work its magic, and you can apply light heat if that's your choice. I kind of just hang out, jumped on my phone, and ran my mouth for 30 minutes. Alright, so 30 minutes later, I'm ready to rinse. I'm just going to give myself a little last minute massage here, get my last bit of feel good in here, and then I'm going to remove the cap and rinse out this good stuff and see where I'm at. As I rinse, I'm going to use my detangling comb here to kind of work my way through my hair, make sure I don't get any snags or pulls as I go along, and just keep the detangling love going. Wow, Cam Fam, so far I'm really impressed with this product. I'm definitely having good feelings about this, and I'm looking forward to see what the next week brings. I might even do a little follow-up review, who knows? As you can see, my hair is completo. After my in-shower deep conditioning routine, I rinsed out my hair, brought my booty back upstairs, where I did a leave-in conditioner, an oil, and a cream. So the LOC method. I'm still kind of figuring out what my niche is as far as if I'm going to be the LOC method or the LCO method. But for now, this is the LOC. I put my hair in braids just to let it suck up some of that moisture that I'm leaving there and to kind of keep it together for the next week while I try not to touch my hair. So it was fun deep conditioning with you guys. Hopefully you also take the time at home to deep condition. Deep conditioning can be done about once a week. I think I'm gonna start off doing my deep conditioning about once a week. I think that's a pretty fair, reasonable expectation of myself, just to get my curls bouncing, keep my hair moisturized, and definitely keep the frizz at bay, because I'm a frizz freak, I hate it. Anyway, it's late, my hair is done, I'm done, I'm ready for bed, I gotta wake up early to do my daytime job thing. So I will see you on the next video, Cam Fam. Toodles. Hey Cam Fam, guess what? It's a whole week later and this is what's left of my braid out. Now braid out. I took down my braids and it's been several days since then. My hair has been worked out, gardened with. I've walked the dogs, I've slept on it. I've pretty much tortured these braids, but look at my hair, still retaining moisture, still got some great clumping, some curls are still present. Overall, the texture of my hair is really good, soft, juicy, just like I wanted, just like I hoped. I would use Briogeo again. This stuff is amazing. My hair survived a lot of wear and tear. It still held on to all that moisture I imparted on it. I'm a happy camper. Guys, if you haven't tried the Briogeo conditioning treatment cap system, I highly recommend you do so. This is definitely something I plan on keeping in my routine. See you next time, Cam Fam.